So friends, from yesterday, Waaree Energies video I released, and after that I got lot many requests that please compare Waaree Energies with Premier Energies and Websol Energies. Both these stocks, all the three stocks has given a great return. This Premier and Waaree has almost double from the listing, and again Websol has given almost 700% return in last 1 year. So quite a multi-bagger stock all the three are, and let us talk in detail. Now before I go and start comparing them, guys, first thing I wanted to tell you here is that today 9 p.m. we have a live session where we are going to talk about which are the stocks to be focused in this market downturn. Market is falling a lot, so what to do. So the link I'll be giving below. Do join me at 9 p.m. without fail. And if you have any question, guys, put it in the comment and chat box, comment box here also now on this video also, because I'll take your questions at the end. So I'm going to take many of your questions which you asked yesterday. Too many questions I'm receiving, so I'll take few of them. But now let us talk about the three stocks in detail. Let us compare each other. So when we talk about this Waaree and Premier, these two stocks, of course, given a great return. Oversubscription was there, more than 200% return from the IPO listing. And Websol also, from last 1 year, no, it has gone up a lot, almost you can say 700% return in last 1 year. So what is cooking in this, and why these stocks are in demand? And let us compare all the three. First of all these three companies now are almost 30-year-old companies. Okay, बहुत पुरानी कंपनी है. So you can say that no, they are there in this area from last so many years, from more than 3 decades. But then also, if you say ask me your that time, वो कहते हैं ना अपना टाइम आएगा, तो वो अपना टाइम आएगा, वो अभी आया इन लोगों का, पहले नहीं आया था, पिछले 2 साल से ही आया है. So basically in last 2-3 years, as green energy push is there, these three companies are doing great. Okay, so when we compare all these three companies, first of all let us talk about what is their capacity. So total capacity installed till now, no, for Waaree it is almost 13.8 gigawatt. Premier Energies is 6.13, and Websol is almost 1.15. Of course, Websol is quite smaller compared to Waaree and Premier. Waaree is number one currently with almost double the capacity of the next competitor like Premier. Other competitors are also there like Adani. They are coming in a big way, so that also you have to keep in mind. Okay, again, what are their expansion plans, guys? I'll try to keep it short, so no, within this short period of time you understand all the three stocks. When we talk about the capacity expansion for Waaree, it is almost 6 gigawatt. They are going to have an integrated facility for ingots. Again, they are having a 3 gigawatt module facility in Houston, Texas. See, in Texas, they are exporting a lot. Okay, almost 58% they are getting from the export only, and almost 1.5 gigawatt, I think it is already installed, and they are going to increase it to almost 4 to 5 gigawatt by next 5 years. So this is their plan actually. And but the one thing you have to keep in mind, Trump has won the election, so let's see what is the Trump policies, because he is against the renewable resources and all that. He's saying let us focus on the current economy, then we'll speak about the renewable. So we have to see whether any tariff levied or not. But yes, if all that is thing is there, then no, the export will be no problem. Even if you talk about Premier Energies, the capacity expansion 1 gigawatt, they are going to increase it for tops and cell line. You need to again 4 gigawatt. They are going to Topsy on cell, and 4 gigawatt on, basically that will be on in Hyderabad at the end of the day. Okay, and Websol, still I have not got any details about the capacity expansion for the Websol. So otherwise, Waaree and Premier both are going to have a good capacity expansion in next few years. When we talk about the order book, guys, when we order book, if you see here, almost here 20.41 gigawatt of order book already Waaree Energies are already having. So quite a good order book compared to what capacity they have. Okay, so this shows that they don't have to worry about the future orders, because they already have. And that's why when you have an order book with you, there is a visibility of income coming in future. Similarly, if we talk about almost for Premier Energy, it is 5,926 crore rupees of gigawatt of future already ordered, they already received. Okay, so 5,900 crore is also a good amount. Websol also, what I heard, what I know, it's around 6 gigawatt of no order book they are already having. Again, operational efficiency, both are doing very, all the three good companies are doing very good. And again, no, they are working on in order to increase the income, okay, increase the profitability. And that's why if you see the backward integration, Waaree Energies is doing, no, because they are establishing some of the units. That 6 gigawatt of capacity expansion is nothing but, no, they want to have a manufacturing unit for wafers, cells, okay, even PV, manufacturing PV, in order to minimize the cost. Similarly, overall, no, they Premier Energy is also working on, they are thinking about working on backward, but they still are focusing more on cell manufacturing, manufacturing, now also concentrating on wind. But yes, they are working on in basic reducing the cost. Now when we talk about the what are the management commentary of all these three companies, see, Waaree management is clearly told that they want to be a number top among the top three global solar module manufacturers. So that is their vision, and that's why they are number one in India. Okay, and you see, by far they are having the biggest share in India. Almost, if I do remember, 21% of domestic share they have. They already have a 369 franchise. They have. So they are working on that. They want to become number among the top three. Again, they are focusing on increasing US operations because they see, they feel that, no, there it's a big opportunity. They want to become a fully integrated player from ingots to module, everything they want to produce. But that is, or now Trump sarkar is there, तो अब Trump साहब क्या कहते हैं वो देखना पड़ेगा. When we talk about Premier Energies, Premier Energies also have more than 70 plus country they are actually, exporting. Again, order book they have, and their main idea, or you can say main vision, is nothing but to be a leader in cell manufacture and all that. Okay. Similarly, Websol also, they are committed to sustainability, and particularly in energy and water management. They are started focusing on water management also. Again, basically they want to have a good employment and collaborative work environment. So this is what the management is currently focusing on. But yes, if you ask about now who has the best of the technology, I think Waaree and Premier Energy is the best of the technology, and they are working on a lot of R&D in order to increase the efficiency and also increase the profitability. Again, basically tailwind is there, industry tailwind. You know what is industry tailwind? Basically, government is pushing renewable energy. So of course that tailwind is helping all these three companies. Websol, if you know that, no, they initially were not having a production, now they are having a production, suddenly jump in the sales and profitability you can have. Only some of the points, negative points you have to keep in mind for all these three companies, nothing but, first of all, any type of geopolitical crisis or change in policy across the world will impact them. As I told you, like Trump Sarkar has come, even China may say raw material prices, raw material they are coming. Like Waaree is already importing 90% of raw material from China. Any change in policy in that, sorry, any change in relationship between the two countries like India and China is going to impact them. Like another point is, like if US put more tariff on China, okay, and also on India on solar import and all that, then you have a problem. But suppose they focus more putting tariff on China, and India में इतना tariff नहीं लगा रहा है, तो indirectly it will be helping us also. So this point you have to keep in that. What will be the policy change, we don't know, that will come in future. And that is why even the stocks are in dilemma, that what may come, what may not come. Okay, so supply chain disruption and all that you have to keep in mind. Okay, again, basically these guys are there from, these stocks are there from last, these companies are there from last 30 years, guys. So they have that type of, leadership quality. They have the management who know the sector very well, and that is the positive point for all the three companies, as all the three companies is almost 30 years old company. Okay, the only thing which you have to keep in mind is that, no, how well they are able to increase their profitability and how they are able to increase their capacity also. Of course, along with that, as the geopolitical crises are increasing now, some China basically stimulus packages coming. What are the impact of all this on this type of company? You have to keep in mind. Okay, but when we talk about these stocks, overall, what is the current valuation? All that, this valuation is quite high. Market has given the full, what you say, credit to these companies of being there in the मेगा ट्रेंड सेक्टर. ओके, तो ऑलरेडी उनको दे दिया है. नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट प्राइस टू इक्विटी, प्रीमियर एनर्जी इज एट 215. Waaree is almost 900, sorry, 91 almost, and again Websol also 121. So no stock is cheap. All the stock are quite expensive. And when we see the quarterly results, still the results of Waaree and Premier is not out because they just listed. But then also, if you see, Websol is having a great result in last year on year and all that. But Waaree, if you talk about Waaree and Premier, they had a decent quarter last time. Okay, and let us not talk about let us talk about ROE and ROA. So when we talk about ROE, Websol is having a negative. Okay, even ROC is negative, but yes, Premier and Waaree is having more than 30 to 40% of ROE. So in that way, they are doing good compared to Websol. Websol is just coming up. It's just coming up. वो कहता है ना बच्चा बड़ा हो रहा है. But yes, overall, if you see the big daddies, Premier and Waaree, and another threat is coming from Adani. Adani is coming with full guns blazing in this sector. So that also you have to keep in mind. Overall, guys, honestly speaking, you have to check 1 or 2 quarter result. My sincere suggestion to you guys, don't jump. Yes, if you have you got it allotment during the IPO, you are lucky. Okay, let me give me a disclaimer, guys. Even I got a Waaree Energies IPO, just to disclose you. But yes, otherwise, my suggestion is that you should wait for 1 or 2 quarter result and then take a better decision, because if results are not coming according to the expectation, then you have to get out from the stock. And if you have already got it in IPO, I think nothing wrong in holding. Let's see kya aega fate, then you can take a decision. So this is what I want to tell you now. Which is the best, guys, that time will say. But honestly speaking, when I compare, I think all the three companies are expensive. You have to see quarterly result, then you can decide what to do. Okay, so guys, hope you like this video. Do like it and share it to everyone. And guys, hope you are attending this Sunday session. This Sunday we are going to have a special workshop where I'm going to tell you 3 secrets and 21 golden rules how you can create massive wealth. So the link will be given below. Do check it out and do register for that, and I'll be seeing you there. And yes, today 9 p.m. we have a live session. Okay, so do attend it. Keep your questions coming. I'm going to answer each and every one of your questions. Okay, so let me start taking your questions. So what should be done? So Mukesh Shroff is asking what should be done for. Okay, better to see the result and then you decide what to do. Okay. Sir, can you please share your vision on Birlasoft and ITTC? ITDC? Well, I think both the stock, I think you should hold. Birlasoft has not given a great result this quarter, but it looks like no next quarter onwards, I think things will be better. So I think both Birlasoft and ITDC, you should hold it. Okay, please comment on the peers stocks. Yes, Anand, so already done that. You can check it out as you are already going through the video. Okay, what about Hero Motor? Is it good time to enter Hero Motor? See, the currently the now this question is asked by Sid Kuwait. Sorry, I forgot to tell. The Billas of ITDC has been asked by Medico. Okay, and Anjum Zahur has asked about the earlier Waaree Energy. So, okay, now let me talk about Hero Motorcorp, which Sid Kuwait has asked. I think hold for just see for some time Hero Motorcorp. See these Diwali sales is a determining that what is going to happen. I think one should wait and then you can think about it, because there is some sluggishness in the two-wheeler. So I think you should wait it and then you can decide. Okay. Sir, I got allotment of SHNI should I hold or sell? SHNI, basically, I think you should hold currently. I'm just checking it if I am, no, अभी मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है. Okay, I think you should hold it for some time, and after a quarter result, you can take a decision. Okay, that question was asked by Harsh Mistry, MD RK 370. Sir, thank you, sir. Love from Abu Dhabi. Thank you. Then 0073412K is asking, sir, please hold, please to tell what trend to be hold on. Okay, trend, see, even the result was good, the stock has fallen a lot. Even today, if I see, no, I'm just checking it, what has happened to trend. But I feel company is good, nothing wrong in that. लेकिन क्या होता है यार, when the valuation is stretched too much, this is what happens normally. So just wait to get it settled. Company में कोई problem नहीं है. Honestly, if you ask me, there is no problem in the company. Only thing you have to wait for the right time. Please, Junior Buffer 3602, please make a video on Premier Energy. So yes, Junior, we already made that video today. Sirish, please explain Hindustan Zinc shares. Sirish, 4644. Just wait for that. Currently, as some rally is happening, and we have to see what the China policy is going to come. But if something is there, I think no, you should wait. If big stimulus package is there, then again the metal prices may go up. Okay. Status of bail purchase at 271 this year. Well, I am honestly, I'm not. I'm not too much sure about bail because capital. Now this question is asked by Rita Talwar. No, यार ये stock ऐसा है ना कि I don't understand how it can get 300 400 p. So no, I'll say no to this stock. मुझे पता ही नहीं इतना इतना पी कैसे दे सकते हैं. Okay, Rita Talwar, can I hold PCBL purchase 100 at 279? Yes, you should hold. You should hold. Then Arga Deepakar is asking, IDFC First Bank sitting on 2.5 thousand loss. What should I do? Honestly, I am not too much bullish on IDFC First Bank. Lot of, you can say, no promising given, but still it is not able to deliver. If you want, you can check my earlier video on IDFC First Bank and then take a decision. But honestly, I am not bullish about that stock. चलो यहीं तक रखते हैं. So thank you very much for joining, guys, and please do put your questions and answer whatever questions you want to ask, and I'll see you soon next time evening in the live session. See you then. Bye bye.